In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide elements on mobile Webflow, easiest way, 2026 guide. Let's jump straight in. You'll start inside your Webflow project right on the designer canvas. For the cleanest workflow, I recommend switching your view to a mobile breakpoint before making changes, so the visibility update applies exactly where you want it. That way, you won't accidentally affect tablet or desktop layouts. Next, select the element you want to hide. This can be an entire section, a div, an image, a button, anything on the page. If you find it tricky to click the right layer on the canvas, open the navigator on the left and choose the element from the hierarchy. That ensures you're targeting the correct section and not a nested element by mistake. With the element selected, go to the Style panel on the right side of the designer. It's the panel with the paintbrush icon. This is where all visual styling lives: typography, spacing, and importantly for us, layout and display settings. In the layout area, change the display property to none. Think of display as the control for how an element participates in the page layout. None removes it completely from the flow, so it won't take up space and it won't be visible on that breakpoint. If you're currently viewing the mobile portrait breakpoint, the element will be hidden there, and you can still keep it visible on larger screens. A quick tip on Cascade: styles flow downward from larger to smaller breakpoints, so avoid setting display. None on desktop unless you intend to hide it everywhere below as well. If your element uses a class that's shared by other instances, remember that this display change applies to all elements with that class on the same breakpoint. If you only want to hide one specific instance, add a unique class or a combo class first to isolate the change. Use preview mode to confirm that the element is fully gone on mobile. If you ever need to bring it back, return to the same layout control and switch display from none to the appropriate value, like block, flex, or grid, depending on how it was originally set. After that, publish or open the live preview to verify the behavior on an actual phone. And that's it. Quick and reliable. You selected your element, opened the Style panel, and set its display to none to hide it on mobile. Congratulations, you've just mastered the easiest way to hide elements on mobile in Webflow.